Alright, YouTube, you got a semi wavy right here. Then you got the 540s, you got the 540s, something like that, you know. You're not up there with me, but alright, so basically what he said, he's gonna get a 2, and then I can do whatever I want for the most part. Alright, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What I'm saying is, I'm just gonna get it right. Tell y'all what I do, how I do it. Let's go.
Yeah, it's the way.
Y'all want to say anything?
Make sure you subscribe.
First thing first, you want to prepare the hair to be cut by combing it out and lifting the hair off the scalp. Now that we have the hair lifted, what you want to do is take the 2-guard close and cut in the same way that he brushes his hair. Now because he had waves, brush the hair back down for the client. Now getting started with the tie taper, we're going to set our first guideline straight across. For a better transition at the bottom, we're going to use the Babyliss Gold Shavers. With the lever open, go up about a ½ inch, not really digging into the head, but just kind of flicking in that guideline. With the 1-guard open in that same motion, go up about a ½ inch. Because we cut the hair to a 2-guard, we're going to take that 1.5 guard close and go with the grain on the taper area. Now with the 2-guard open, you're just debulking. It's not really cutting any hair because you knocked it down to a 1.5 guard close with the grain. So we're just really debulking right now. With the 1.5 guard close, in a flick out motion, flick out the top bulk. With the 0-guard close, using your corner, flick out that middle line. With the lever close, flick out that bottom line, adjust as needed to make the taper as blended as possible. Now before you start detailing, you always want to make sure that you are framing out your work to better see what you're working with. Now before you start detailing, I always grab a different clipper to get a different perspective. You know, look in the mirror, check from different angles just to see what you can fix. Now in the back, I'm just going to repeat the same exact steps. preparing my hairline, I always spray hairspray and knock the hair down. It just dries out the skin, so when you hit it with the liners, it gives it that real crispy look. And by knocking down the edge up, it makes it last longer because the edge up is actually shorter than the rest.
It's the way.
I'm finna show you how to fix this man crown real quick. Alright, here it go like this. Circle, alright, so what you're gonna do is just brush his crown the same way that the rest of his head go. So like I said, if he had a beehive and his crown was right here, it would be going outward like that. But because he got a swirl, this how you gotta brush it, alright? So y'all just take that, use that, and yeah.
I might be getting after that. Yeah. Well, definitely gonna be coming in.
Alright, y'all. See, you like the cut? You got IG, bro?
Yeah, Bondo 716.
You said what?
Bondo 716.
Alright, yo. Put it somewhere on the screen. Follow my mans.
And on YouTube.
Hopefully these waves be better than mine eventually. Alright. This is the cut. Y'all like it? Like, comment, subscribe. We out. Y'all want to say anything?
Make sure you subscribe.
Wavykid.